Welcome back to Touch Trove. Following the buzz around the Galaxy Z Fold 6, everyone's eyes are already on Samsung's next big foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. With some early speculations heating up, we're hearing whispers about impressive upgrades that could make the Fold 7 smaller in your pocket, but bigger in your hands. Samsung has been leading the foldable market, but with high-end foldables still a niche, they have room to innovate further. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra might just be the computer in your pocket device fans have been craving for years. Now, imagine if Samsung manages to make it as thin as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it could redefine portability and functionality. We're likely to see its debut at the Samsung Unpacked 2025, and if early rumors are anything to go by, this foldable might even be poised to compete with Apple's high-end lineup. The expected price? Well, if Samsung maintains its usual trend, we're looking at a starting point of around $1,899. However, given that each year brings incremental price bumps, the Z Fold 7 could launch close to $2,000. Exciting features and rumors. We're still early in the leak cycle, but here's what we know. Sources say the next Galaxy Z Fold might be even larger yet lighter, with a thinner profile, possibly as slim as Samsung's Galaxy S series. The Fold 7 Ultra is rumored to reach just 7.7 mm, thanks to a breakthrough in folding technology and innovative engineering. But what about durability? Samsung has reportedly strengthened the display, which could be about 8 inches, using a new type of OLED called Fold. This tech could potentially reduce battery size, making the device slimmer without compromising battery life. Running on Android 15-based One UI 7, this device promises to be more user-friendly and visually fresh. Leaker Ice Universe hints at a major UI redesign, from new icons to enhanced animations, and maybe even a vertical app drawer for easier navigation. Why the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra could be a game-changer. Samsung is pushing boundaries to make foldables more appealing to a wider audience. The Z Fold 7 Ultra may finally bring that seamless blend of style and functionality. Plus, the long-anticipated S Pen integration is expected to go beyond the previous models, working on both the inner and front screens. This makes it a fantastic choice for creative users and former Galaxy Note fans. Speaking of cameras, the Z Fold 7 Ultra is rumored to inherit the advanced camera system of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, answering previous complaints about the foldable camera quality. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, a 5,000 mAh battery, and enhanced durability, this device could be Samsung's most advanced foldable yet. If all goes as planned, we may see Samsung officially reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra in mid-2025, possibly launching the slimmest foldable tablet phone hybrid on the market. Imagine having a pocket-sized device with an 8-inch display, all without the typical bulk of foldables. And don't worry about user experience. Samsung is said to have reduced bezels, improved the hinge, and strengthened the screen to withstand daily knocks and scratches. They might also offer both a standard Z Fold 7 and an Ultra model, giving consumers options for their specific needs. Will Samsung set a new standard? Samsung has set high standards for itself with the Fold series. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra lives up to the hype, it might just be the foldable phone that finally gets everything right. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning into Touch Trove. If you're excited for more updates, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest in tech and foldable innovation. See you in the next video.